Hi, in this video I'm going to go through part E of question 1 on Math 2007. So we want to know, when is this expression going to be negative? And we're told here that x and n are both integers. Okay, so if this is going to be negative, then we're going to need an odd number of these brackets to be negative, right? Because multiplying two negative numbers makes a positive number, so we're going to need an odd number of these to be negative in order to have one left over at the end to make the whole expression negative. And also, raising any number to an even power is going to give us a number which is greater than or equal to 0. So that means that because 2n and 4n are always even, then 4 minus x to the 4n and 2 minus x to the 2n are both always going to be greater than or equal to 0, never negative. And also, if n were even, then n, 3n, and 5n would also be even. And so we'd have that all of these brackets were non-negative, and so the whole expression star would be non-negative. So we'd need n to be odd. And if we look at the options that we have, the only one which guarantees n being odd is b. So let's just check that it works for x greater than 5. So if x were greater than 5, then 1 minus x, 3 minus x, and 5 minus x would all be less than 0. And so we see that 1 minus x to the n, 3 minus x to the 3n, and 5 minus x to the 5n would all be less than 0 too, because all of these powers are odd if n is odd. And so we'd have 3 brackets being negative, and that's an odd number, and so our expression star is negative. So we know that star is negative if n is odd and x is greater than 5, so we can take the answer B.